What is up, guys? Back in another video. My name is TopTechGuides and I'm here to talk about how exactly you can save money on Amazon with Honey. So you can get this invite code in the description bar where you can add Honey into your Google Chrome web browser, and it'll allow you to basically save money by searching through the Amazon store and finding the cheapest product of that specific product in Amazon. I believe it also does other places than Amazon, and it also gives you different coupon codes like here and here so that you can get certain products cheaper, like from Nike, Macy's, Forever. Yeah, yes, as I said, it works in other places just like Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera, which I don't even know anybody who uses Opera, but they are usable through a whole bunch of different sites. So, how are we going to go about doing this? We're going to do this through Amazon, mainly because if I do it through Amazon, it's a lot easier. And I already know I've been using it on Amazon lately, so I'm in my shopping cart of Amazon. I want to buy this Linksin dual band Wi-Fi router, gaming router, and I want to find a way to save money on it instead of paying the full 300. With this, it will look through like the original total and then the new total. It will tell you the estimated shipping date, which has the same shipping date and fulfilled by Amazon. Usually, when it means it's fulfilled by Amazon, that means you get the 2-day shipping or whatever the shipping is. And all you have to do is click to swap the Amazon cart, and then the price will change. Go back to your cart, get rid of the one that costs the most. See, I went back up to 300. Now you're saving this amount of money, saving $50 off of your original purchase. So let's go ahead and try a different product. I want to buy Asus. Let's try to search up an Asus laptop. Let's try this Asus Chromebook, and let's just add it to shopping cart and see whether or not if that is the cheapest. Go back to the shopping cart. Let it check the price. Okay, there's two different price changes. You can also view the price history of that specific product based on the link. And as it looks like it's been staying just about the same, like it has not changed at all. 209 is its base price at the moment. So what you can do is that you can add it to drop list. You can, within the next 90 days, the website will track and see whether or not I want to see if I can buy it for like $150. So I choose 90 days, $150, and I add it to my drop list. So if I go back to drop lists, I can see all the items that I have tracked. This one's been tracked for 90 days. This one hasn't even been, I've already bought this one for actually cheaper by saving money. Like, I ended up, instead of paying 30, I waited until it went around like $20, and it did go $20, and I bought it then. But for this, obviously the pricing has not changed because it's DDR4 RAM. RAM doesn't change that much, but you can constantly watch certain products, and then you can see whether or not if they go up or down, or yeah. And then if possible, they'll try to get you a coupon code for you to use, and you can tell them whether or not if the code works or not. Some people actually as you can see, post their own codes onto the website so that other people can use those coupon codes. And they'll see whether or not if they actually work or whether or not they're dead. So let's see. As you can see, there's like a bunch of percentages off for like Kohl's and stuff. So it's not just for Amazon, it's also this list of websites. If you look at my referral link, you'll be able to see what exactly Honey will work for. This is an opportunity for you to save a lot of money when you're purchasing stuff online or even simply buying pizza. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.